What do you think your chances are of beating me today?
Oh, I'd say about 50-50.
Alright guys, thanks for tuning in to another video on ForgottenWeapons.com. I'm Ian, and I'm joined today by Tom, and we are at the monthly 2-Gun Action Challenge match in Tucson, and we've got 3 stages this month, and they're kind of short stages, and we figured, you know, it'd be kind of fun
To do subtle and the exact opposite of subtle.
very, very not subtle. So what are you shooting?
Well, for the rifle, I'm shooting my 50 Beowulf, and for my pistol, I'm shooting my 50 Action Express Desert Eagle.
And I am running a SilencerCo Maxim 9 suppressed with subsonics, and a Honey Badger SD suppressed with subsonics. So I expect at least 1 or 2 of my stages today will probably be estimated times because the guns will be too quiet to register on the timer.
And I'm pretty sure I will set off the timers on the other stages for the other shooters.
Yeah, probably. So, all right, well, let's jump in.
Let's see how it goes.
Stand by. Nice. Stand by. I think you hit it. All right, unload, show clear. All right, get your flag in there.
Ready?
Stand by.
It was the same match where he had like the 3 downloaded pistol mags to 5 rounds. You had to reset, and the ones that and like every iteration, like I was shooting a new hand, missed one of the steals.
You're all around the head.
Plus 180 seconds from the thing, you know. And I'm like, here's what you do, Paul.
Left.
Unlimited rounds of the steel, drop the mags, but hit on barrel. Like that's reasonable. Particularly for club stuff. They're not learning experience. Yeah.
My worst match ever was here. It was 2 guys.
We got it on camera.
Well, we're going to have to get it on camera because that did not work.
We'll sort it out. We'll figure the time.
So I don't know what was going on with that first round click, because that was the second time that's happened today. I've got just the tiniest dimple, like what you get from just dropping the bolt carrier on it. And my pistol is completely not zeroed. I'm holding like an entire target width off to the right, which, oops, that's clearly my fault, but not great.
Stand by.
See where it is?
Rating that one.
Our command sheet was predicted. pistol. Guess not.
Pistol. Pistol.
Oh, that's 10.
He only has 10 rounds in the magazine.
Only 20 rounds. Oh, 10 rounds in the mag. Okay.
That movie's
Hit.
Yeah, if I deployed and that helped, and I went to
yeah. I would wait for like 6 months to escape.
yeah, I would say how you
Hit.
That 2?
That's
One.
2.
Yes, I looked at CBD and OR.
I was over at the chaos.
Nice. When were you there?
Hi. Hi. Hit. Hit. Gun shooting. You can unload sword clear. Sorry, I didn't realize you were 10 round max.
No problem.
Alright, so mag in, bolt release. That's good. That looks like it's all the way in.
See if it shoots.
I guess we'll find out when I pull the trigger the first time. Ready?
Stand by.
Hit! Slow. Hit! 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 Stand by. No! Really high. Hit! Neil! Hit!
Left.
Hit! 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 Nice!
Last round. Sweet.
That was pretty fun overall, but we both had some problems with kit.
Correct. I was surprised because I was expecting the AR-15 to run smoothly, flawlessly, and for the Desert Eagle to just give me problems left and right. The exact opposite for me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now, I'm not surprised because you kind of always bring weird stuff that has problems.
Correct.
I try to bring weird stuff that works most
Right.
of the time, but
I stop at the weird.
it actually ran better than I expected. And bullet weight's what, 350 grains?
Correct. 350 for the rifle and 300 for the pistol.
So your pistol is actually running more muzzle energy, I think, than my rifle is.
I think we were looking at this earlier, and yeah.
So I had a couple issues. My Maxim 9 is not zeroed. I thought it was, and it's definitely not, which caused me a big problem on one of the stages. But it was good enough that I cleared the plate rack.
Oh, absolutely, yeah.
And then this, interestingly, weirdly, I had two times it did the same thing where the first round just went click. No idea why. We tinkered, we didn't really tinker with it. We just tried it again for the third stage, and it worked on the third stage. Incredibly pleasant gun to shoot. I like it. I'm not sure I like the SD configuration, but I'm planning a much bigger video on 300 blackout stuff. So we'll cover that in more detail later. I thought this would be a fun opportunity to bring out the Honey Badger to play with at a match.
Yeah, it looks great. It is quiet. It seems to fit all of the criteria it was going for.
And it's super light.
Oh, yeah.
Like, it's great trigger, super light. Really cool gun. So, any conclusions you want to take away from today's match?
Well, the 50 Beowulf is and always has been a meme cartridge. And it performed like a meme cartridge. And so there is no practical application for this that I'm aware of, except for having fun wasting money. Which it did that.
It does that very, very,
very well. Yeah.
Now it looked like you had a couple of ammo problems, a click and no bang.
Correct. I'm not sure what's going on with that yet. Haven't had a chance to diagnose. This is all factory ammo. It's good quality Underwood ammo. Great stuff. Well, it looked like it was having some light strikes.
Great, unless it doesn't work. But that could also be...
I'm pretty sure, because this is just a generic off-the-shelf lower that I slapped onto the 50 Beowulf upper to get it working. And so I don't know if it's something going on there. I'll have to take a look. But I'm not normally an AR guy, so...
You're doing an Apple, and you're just beta testing at the match.
Correct. That's what I normally do. Yeah.
All right. Well, hopefully you guys enjoyed this, this short, fun little match for the weekend. Thanks for watching.